Hello, my name is Dr. Kiran and today we are talking about thunderstorm asthma. Thunderstorm asthma occurs during or after a thunderstorm when high winds and changes in pressure lift pollen and pollution particles high up into the air and break them into tiny little pieces. These pieces are then breathed in and enter our airways far deeper than they normally would, where they can cause narrowing and swelling. Once inside, these particles cause symptoms such as coughing, sneezing, wheeze, difficulty breathing, and even life-threatening asthma. Even if you have never had asthma or wheeze before, you may experience this. The best way to protect yourself is to stay indoors, close your windows during a thunderstorm, and remember to use your allergy medicine and your inhalers with a spacer. If you or your child have never had asthma and experience breathing problems, please seek medical advice urgently. Read the caption for more tips and remember to share this video. It could save a life.